I'm going to make a custom letter pendant that can go on a necklace using Pencil. So Pencil is a super easy to use design platform where you can design manufacturing ready products, including jewelry. I'm going to start by selecting text. So I'm not even going to use a template to make this. I'm just going to go straight to text. I'll select my font here. And I want this to be kind of substantial. So let's have a look and see what this one looks like. I'm going to go with the letter P for pencil. So we can rotate around and see what that looks like. And bear in mind there's a whole bunch of other options here for fonts too if you wanted to try out something else. I'm going to go back to my original one. And I double click to lock that choice in. And now what we can do is we can actually start to change the shape and size of it. So I'll select that there, I'll zoom in a little bit, and let's make that a little bit bigger and a little bit thicker. And then the next thing we want to do, because we want this to actually go on a necklace, so for it to go on a necklace, we're going to need to add a jump ring to the top of it. We'll go to components. Components are where you can add things like bails and jump rings. I'm going to add a super simple plain ring to the top of it. Let's see what 4mm looks like in terms of size. You see, it's really easy to actually move that and get that into position. We could use the camera up here as well if we wanted to, like lock it into a particular viewpoint. But let's go ahead and just double click to place that right there. Cool. I'm going to adjust this just a little bit because it looks a little bit off center right now, but that's really easy as well in Pencil. Let's just move it back and let's go to the front here. Great. And we're just going to rotate that all the way around until that is completely flat and on the front. And there we go, that's perfect. And what we'll do now is we will also then rotate that jump ring that we placed before. So really easy way you can grab that is even just to click on it like that. And let's grab the controls down here. So being able to move that across like that. Let's just have a look on top and see how that's looking. So we are going to rotate it. So let's just get the positioning perfect. And you want it to go a little bit down into the surface of it because you want it to actually be connected when you have it cast. And now the last thing we'll do is we will rotate that. So let's just look from this angle here, spin it around. How's that looking? And remember, you can always use that cube in the top corner to just check everything, from the right side, from the front. That's looking pretty good. And we'll have a look on top. And I'm going to do, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, I'll do one last change here. I am going to move it back just a little bit so it's perfectly centered and lock that in. And there we go. I have made a fully manufacturable letter pendant that can go on a necklace. You can download that. You'll download a manufacturing ready file. It's called an STL that can be sent directly to a factory or a jeweler to be made, or you can connect directly with factories and jewelers through Pencil to have them make it for you.